Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Gekikara Ramen using an easy method. This simple approach allows you to enjoy intensely spicy noodles without extensive cooking. We will focus on transforming instant ramen into a gourmet, fiery dish. You'll need just a few key ingredients and about 10 minutes of your time to create a truly satisfying and hot meal. First, let's prepare our noodles perfectly. Bring 2 cups of water to a rolling boil in a small saucepan. Add your instant ramen noodles and cook them for precisely 2 minutes. This ensures they remain slightly firm, providing a great texture for your spicy ramen. After cooking, drain the noodles well, but remember to save about 1/4 cup of that starchy noodle water. It's crucial for our sauce. Now for the heart of our Gekikara Ramen, the spicy broth. In a serving bowl, combine 2 generous tablespoons of your favorite chili oil with 1 tablespoon of gochujang, a Korean chili paste. Stir in 1 teaspoon of freshly minced garlic and a small pinch of red pepper flakes for an extra kick. Finally, whisk in the 1/4 cup of reserved noodle water until the sauce is smooth and well combined. With our noodles cooked and our spicy broth ready, it's time to assemble your delicious Gekikara Ramen. Carefully transfer the perfectly cooked noodles into the bowl with your fiery sauce, tossing gently to coat them evenly. For a beautiful finish, garnish with a perfectly soft-boiled egg, some freshly sliced green onions, and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Serve immediately and savor every intensely spicy bite of your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.